Hello everyone, myself Sri Harsha Gudi. So this presentation is about tablet reminder app. So we are a group of two, myself Sri Harsha Gudi and the other one is Prahash Palanki. So let us look into our project first. So the problem statement is most of the people who take medication on daily basis are more likely to consume pills more than required intake of medication or skipping the tablets assuming had already consumed. This is happening because of the busy lifestyle we have these days. So this application helps in storing the user's medication details and also help them to take their pills and medications at the right time. So the users and stakeholders will be can be anyone who is under medication, can also be the caretakers who take care of older people who are unable to see or new to technology. Scope. So the main idea of developing this app is to remind the users of their medication and also making sure they do not take more than needed to be consumed. So this is the login page. When you run the app or when you install and when you open the app, this is the page you find on your screen. So if you are already an existing user, you can just log in with your username and password. If not, click on the create new account and then you would be moved into this page where you can create your username and password. Once you create your account and once you press login, you'd get a small disclaimer saying that this app should be used at your own risk and it is not meant to be a replacement medical or health app. This is because this app is developed as a final project as a class study app. So this is the disclaimer. And the main page, once you log in, this is the main page, this is where you will be at. So if you want to add your medications, press the plus button at the bottom right corner. So you would be moved into this. So this is where you give your medication specifications like your medication name, like Tylenol, let's say. If it's pills, you can select pills, or from the drop down list you can get pills, syrups, injections, like that. So medicine units, you can say one tablet, two pills, and like that. So the status on the reminder, you can choose to take once a day. From the drop down list you can choose twice a day, thrice a day, like that, so that you can choose from morning, afternoon, and evening. So you can choose before food, after food. You can choose like to take it every day, or you can choose individually each day, like today, tomorrow, Saturday, Monday, Tuesday, and so on. Once you create your medication here, you press save and you would be moved back to the main page. And I have created this medication Tylenol, two pills after food on Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. You can choose each day individually, or you can just press up every day so that it would remind you every day at that time. So the conclusion of this app is nowadays everyone is using a smartphone. Not just the younger generation, even the elder people had become used to smartphones. It may be either Android or iOS. This application is being developed by targeting elder people mostly as users. But it is not limited to only elder ones. Anyone who is under medication or people who are caretakers can also use. This application is being built in a way that irrespective of age, anyone can use it with ease. It stores the data of users and reminds the user of medication. So in future, much more efforts can be made in order to improve the accuracy of the application, like booking an appointment to the nearby hospital, like that. So for better user experience, we can advance our application by including things like medical tracker to check our weekly, daily, monthly progress by seeing the status reports. So now let's run our app. So we have entered into the home page of our app. So I have already an account, so I will log in with my credentials. Username Sriharsha, password 1234, login. So this is the disclaimer you get. So I have created a few medications. Let's create one more. Let's say more. See, this is the drop down list. It says pills, injections, syrup, and so on. So this is where you can choose like 1 units, 1 tablet, or 2 tablets, like that. For now I'm choosing 1. You should, if in order to remind you, you should turn on this reminder status. You can choose once a day, twice a day, thrice a day, like that. For now I'm choosing once a day. If you choose thrice a day, you can see morning, afternoon, at night. You can set 3 different times where you can get notified by this app. So it's 5:11. Set the reminder at 5:13, 2 minutes later. So let's say after food. You can choose each day individually, or you can just choose every day and save. And just close the app, just lock it out. It reminds us at the time. In between, we look at our code. So we have created a database here. So this is because multiple users can use a single app in a device. In my device, I log in with my username, but if my brother want to use my app, my phone, and he wanted to use this app, he can just log out mine, and he can log in with his credentials, and he can use this app. So that is why we have used the database. So this can help multiple users to use the app in a single device. Let's wait for the reminder. We've set it at 5:12, 5:13. 1 more minute to go. So these are the activities we have used here. So we are getting the notification now. Let's see. So you can choose remind later, so that it works like a snooze button. It reminds you after 10 minutes. If you press will take now, the alarm goes back. It just stops it. Nothing happens. So I'm choosing remind later, so that it reminds me after 10 minutes. So now if we go to app, I wanted to show you one more thing. You have a logout option here. If you press logout, you come back to the home screen, and any other user, or you can log in again, or you can create a new one. So this is about tablet reminder app. Thank you for watching.